Carlos had worked in construction for 12 years, until one day, the job was gone. His back hurt, his vest faded like forgotten dreams. Then came the bad news. Sorry, compadre, machines are doing our work now. That night, his family said,
"You didn't study, but you can still learn something new. Education opens doors."
I just wish you didn't have to work so hard. You deserve something better.
You're not failing, you're just growing.
For months, Carlos took whatever jobs he could, cleaning, carrying boxes, anything to earn a little money. At the unemployment office, one flyer stood out. Free coding boot camp. No experience needed, just determination. Carlos signed up that same day. It was the same course he saw on the flyer. A week later, Carlos walked into a small community center. It was simple, just old computers and quiet determination in the air. He took the evening shift, 6 to 9 p.m., Monday to Friday. After cleaning offices all day, he'd rush to class, tired, sweaty, but focused. He practiced at home on his old laptop, slow but still good enough to learn. From 4 to 6 a.m., before heading to work, Carlos would sit at the kitchen table with a cup of coffee and his old laptop. Learning wasn't easy. Carlos often felt confused. In class, he asked many questions.
Why doesn't this work?
The teacher always said,
It's okay, you're learning.
Bit by bit, things made sense. He made his first web page. It was simple, but it worked. He smiled and thought,
I'm really doing this.
Carlos started small. He offered to build a website for the local bakery. It wasn't perfect, but the owner loved it. Then, a nearby butcher shop asked for help too. Soon, he built websites for small stores, food stands, and friends of friends. Each project taught him something new. He stayed up late, fixing bugs and learning how to make each site better than the last. Little by little, word spread. A small travel agency called him, then a gym, then a local fashion brand. Carlos couldn't believe it. He was now working with real businesses. People were paying him to build not with bricks, but with code.
Practice your speaking. Answer the next question out loud and leave your answer in the comments. Short answers are okay.
Have you ever lost a job? What did you do next?
Use your pause button and answer the question.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and click subscribe to see more stories like this in the future.